Think that's a little bit better than that other one?
Yeah, a little bit different.
Tell me when you need me to get the net. Ain't that close yet, is it?
Nope.
Now, when he sees the boat now, he's gonna run again, okay?
Yeah. Come on, get over here.
Don't hurry him. Don't hurry him. He taking line still? Yeah. Good fish, baby. I hear you. Shoot, I'm gonna get up here and get out of the way. Get up here and get in the shade. And we chase him. I start winding. Here we go after him.
You gonna break water or what?
No. He ain't gonna break no water. Good fish. All right, let's see if I can get this one out of your way. Give you the whole side of the boat.
Well, he's starting to break a little bit.
That's because you're just bringing him up close. All right, let me get up here and get out your way. Good fish, Bob. Good fish. Best fish of the day.
My wrist's getting sore.
Your wrist is getting so old, man. This is a YouTube fish here. Keep the pole up now. Tell me when you think you're getting close enough. I need the net. Just
He's fighting a good one.
it's a good one. I told you they had a little bit more energy down here because they're closer to the channel. When he sees the net, he's going to run again, so just let him go. Just keep the line taut. Don't pump, just ease him on in there. You played him just right.
Can't see the line. Oh, there it is.
Biggest fish you've ever caught.
Oh, yes it is. That's a keeper.
Yeah, that's too big for the net, though. Son of a bitch. Ah. Hey, I can't get him, bub. Guess what? I can't get him in the boat. You're going to have to help. You got him?
Jeez.
That's about 35. You want to hold him up?
Yeah. That's if I can.
I wouldn't stick my. Let's get the hook out of him first. That's a good fish, isn't it? Holy moly! That's why you come.
No, you don't.
The net ain't big enough. Bring him all the way to Florida to catch a big fish.
Okay.
Can you turn him around here where we can see him? You're going to have to stand up with him a little bit better than that, Bubba. All right, hold on.